Hello friends, Christy and I are about to head out on a week-long, maybe even longer, multi-state overlanding adventure, and we'd like to hear your advice. What are the must-have items we need to bring for a trip like this? Because we've only really ever done weekend camping trips before, so I'm hoping to get some suggestions on some important things that we don't forget. And also in this video we'll be showing you things that we already have or things that are on the way. One of the first things we picked up for this trip is the EcoFlow Wave 3 air conditioner slash heater. We knew that where we're going could be still hot or it could be cold, so we thought that maybe this would cover us in both situations while we're in the tent. It's a pretty lightweight unit. You can control it with an app on your phone. It runs pretty quiet. Hopefully it will do the job. I've also got the Thor's Lightning inflation and deflation system. I won this in our local Jeep Club raffle last year and just haven't gotten around to using it yet, but I'm pretty sure we will be using it on this trip. From everything I've seen, it looks like a good product. I don't believe we're going to hard mount it anywhere. We'll probably just keep it in the bag and bust it out when we need it. Also got a new stove from Academy Sports. We also got the adapter so we can use a large propane tank on it. I figure it'll do the job. And next up we got the bed rack for the Gladiator. I didn't want to go with the full height one because the tent and everything we mount on top I feel would be sticking way up too high and catch air when we're driving, and plus we go through a lot of low-hanging branches and trees, so I figure a half height one will work best for us. The assembly was pretty straightforward. We did have to use a rubber mallet and a little bit of WD-40 to get everything to play nicely together. Then we got right to the end where we were going to mount it to the bed and then realized this rack you have to use the trail rail system, which we don't have, so I had to order one of those. And now we have the big ticket item showing up. It's a rooftop tent from OPENROAD. It's the soft shell design. We've used our pull behind camper and a ground tent. Now we're going to try the rooftop tent and see how we like it. We'll do a full review on it after this trip, but this is more of just a quick unboxing. I've seen some rooftop tents come in big wooden boxes. This one was just in cardboard, but it survived. It's in good shape. We thought we'd go with the soft top tent because it gives more room at this price point compared to the little wedge hard shell ones. Since it'll be both of us and at some point Ruby up in there with us, the more room the better. Everything came packed inside the tent, the hardware, the ladder, and there seems to be plenty of room, and the mattress is pretty comfortable, even though we will probably get a mattress topper to put on there. Ruby seems to like it. What do you think, Poo Poo? We also picked us up a portable pooper. This one collapses down really small. The one we have been taking is about a foot thick, and this one's only a couple inches thick, so it should help save some space. And here you see a bunch of the stuff we'll be taking with us. Our generator, propane bottle. We got to figure out what tools we should bring and all the recovery gear. We're also going to be bringing the OPENROAD shower with us. We have the wolf box coming. I have some glue treads coming for in case of emergencies. We got our refrigerator, a small Rotopax wannabe. We got some seat cushions for the trip. We also got some new mud boots, and we're going to be picking up some rain gear. And we have assorted other stuff coming. But what I'd really like to know, is there anything we're missing? For all you people that have gone on long, 2 week long camping trips, let us know.